Good afternoon to all. Let us start the exercise, that is 7.3. Name of the chapter is Ratio and Proportion, from the book ML Agarwal for ICSE class 10 book. Exercise number, that is 7.3. This is the last exercise of the chapter Ratio and Proportion. Question number 1, just see. If A by B is equal to C by D, prove that. There are 4 questions are there. Condition given, A by B equal to C by D. You have to prove 2a plus 5b by 2a minus 5b equal to 2c plus 5d by 2c minus 5d. Second part also same process, you have to solve. You have to prove 5a plus 11b by 5c plus 11d equal to 5a minus 11b by 5c minus 11d. Third question also same process, you have to solve. 2a plus 3b whole into 2c minus 3d is equal to 2a minus 3b into 2c plus 3d. Fourth one, that is the last part of the number 1, LA plus MB divided by LC plus MD equal to LA minus MB divided by LC minus MD. Just see how to solve. For this question, you have to tell A by B equal to C by D, it is given, and you have to solve this one by one. Just see how to solve. To prove first part, you have to multiply 2 by 5 both sides of the given part. If I multiply 2 by 5 with A by B and 2 by 5 with C by D, this is given. Now multiplying 2 by 5 both sides, how much you are getting? 2a plus 2a by 5b equal to 2c by 5d. Now using the property that is componendo and dividendo, 2a plus 5b divided by 2a minus 5b, that is equal to, using componendo means plus, dividendo means minus. Same process, this will be 2c plus 5d divided by 2c minus 5d. Just see the first part is proved. Now for second part, you have to multiply 5 by 11 with the given part. Just multiply 5 by 11 with A by B, again 5 by 11 with C by D. Multiplying 5 by 11 both sides, means left hand side as well as right hand side. How much you will get? 5a by 11b, here 5c by 11d. Again you apply componendo and dividendo. Componendo means plus 5a plus 11b divided by 5a minus 11d. Same process, right hand side, 5c plus 11d divided by 5c minus 11d. Now you see, again you have to prove 5a plus 11b by 5c plus 11d. That means by alternando, this corner can be changed. This 5a plus 11b by alternando, this 5c plus 11 will come down here. 5c plus 11d, and this 5a minus 11 will go there. 5a minus 11b divided by 5c minus 11d. This one is proved. Second part. And this process, this corner changing is called by alternando. Next, go to the third part. To prove third part, you have to multiply 2 by 3 with the given part. 2 by 3 multiply with A by B, again 2 by 3 multiplied with C by D. Multiplying 2 by 3 both numerator, both left hand side as well as right hand, again applying. First to see how much coming, 2a by 3b, this side 2c by 3d. Using componendo and dividendo, this will be 2a plus 3b divided by 2a minus 3b. This side 2c plus 3d divided by 2c minus 3d by componendo and dividendo. Okay, by using componendo and dividendo. Componendo means plus, dividendo means minus. Now by cross multiplication, just see, by cross multiplication, 2a plus 3b whole into 2c minus 3d equal to 2c plus 3d whole into 2a minus 3b, and that you have to prove. In this way, question of third part also proved. Next is fourth part. To prove fourth part, you have to multiply L by M with numerator and denominator. Means you have to multiply L by M with A by B and L by M with C by D. Your given part is A by B equal to C by D, multiplying L by M both sides. Now using component 1 dividend, this will be LA plus MB divided by LA minus MB. This right hand side, LC plus MD divided by same process LC minus MD, and that you have to prove. Okay, again by alternando this can be changed. So this implies LA plus MB by LC plus MD is equal to, by alternando this corner can be changed. This LA minus MB will come here by LC minus MD. In this way, question number 1, all the 4 parts completed. Your given part is A by B, and you have to prove 2a plus 5b by 2a minus 5b equal to 2c plus 5d by 2c minus 5d. First part proved. Second part, just slight corner changing by alternando. 5a plus 11b by 5c plus 11d equal to 5a minus 11b by 5c minus 11d. And third part, just by cross multiplication, you are getting the third part, 2a plus 3b whole into 2c minus 3d equal to 2c plus 3d whole into 2a minus 3b. The fourth part, you have to multiply L by M both sides, and using component or dividendo, a slight corner changing, that is called alternando. We are getting LA plus MB by LC plus MD is equal to LA minus MB by LC minus MD. In this way, question number 1 for. Let us go next number. See the question number 2. If 5x plus 7y by 5u plus 7v is equal to 5x minus 7y by 5u minus 7v, it is given and you have to prove x by y is equal to u by v. Second part, 8a minus 5b by 8c minus 5d is equal to 8a plus 5b by 8c plus 5d. It is given and you have to prove a by b equal to c by d. Let us see how to solve question number 2. Question number 2, first part, just to write what is given here, 5x plus 7y by 5u plus 7b equal to 5x minus 7y equal to 5u minus 7b. You have to prove x by y is equal to e by b. Now, the given part, just to see very carefully, 5x plus 7y, you have to write here 5x minus 7y here. Means by alternando, this corner can be changed and you can write here 5x plus 7y divided by 5x minus 7y. This 5x minus 7y coming by alternando, this, and this will go there, 5u plus 7v by 5u minus 7v. Now using componendo and dividendo, what will get? That means 5x plus 7y, the plus the denominator part, that is 5x minus 7y divided by 5x plus 7y minus, by using componendo and dividendo, numerator will be plus a plus b by a minus b minus denominator, that is 5x minus 7y. This is 5u plus 7v plus 5u minus 7v divided by 5u plus 7v minus 5u minus 7v. This is called using componendo and dividendo. Using componendo and dividendo property of the ratio proportion. Now see what you are getting here. This plus 7y minus 7y can be cancelled. This will be 10x. And the numerator, if I open the bracket, this 5x minus 5x will be cancelled out. Plus 7y, this will be plus 7y, means 14y. Right hand side you see 5u plus 5u, that will be 10u. Plus 7v minus 7v cancel out. And the denominator part you see, if I open the bracket, this 5u minus 5u cancel. Plus 7b, this will be plus 7b, means 7 plus 7, 14 V. So both sides 10 by 14, 10 by 14 can be cancelled. The result will be x by y is equal to E by V. In this one, this is proved. Number 2, first part. Next come to the number 2, second part. First part, what is given? The second part, it is given 8a minus 5b, 8a minus 5b by 8c minus 5d, 8c minus 5d equal to 8a plus 5b by 8c plus 5d. This is given, and you have to prove a by b equal to c by d. Okay, to prove a by b is equal to c by d. A by b equal to c by d. For this proof, just you have to do one thing here. This 8a minus by alternando, this fully corner can be changed, means 8a plus 5b by 8a minus 5b, this is the right hand side part I am writing, equal to this 8c plus 5d will come here, that means 8c plus 5d by 8c minus 5d. The property is called by alternando, okay. Now using componendo and dividendo, what will get here? 8a plus 5b plus 8a minus 5b whole divided by 8a plus 5b minus 8a minus 5b. Same process, 8c plus 5d plus 8c minus 5d divided by same process 8c plus 5d, numerator minus denominator. Denominator means 8c minus 5d. Now see, plus 5d minus 5d can be cancelled. 8a plus 8a, that is 16a. In the denominator part, 8a minus 8a, if I open the bracket, can be cancelled. Plus 5b, this will be plus 5b, 10b. Same process this side, 8c plus 8c, this will be 16c. Plus 5d minus 5d cancel out. Now if I open the bracket, this will be 8c minus 8c cancel, 5d, and this will be plus 5d. How much coming? 10d. Now from both sides, 16 by 10 can be cancelled. A by b is equal to c by d left. And in this way, number 2, first part, second part also proved. Try to practice these sums. Next day do more sums. Thank you for today's class.